फार्म हाउस.
मुहावरे दांतों तले हुए और एक
दो नौका में पाँव रखना.
दो नाव की सवारी.
और अच्छा
मैं आपको चूज करने को कौन सा बोल
ये घोड़ा बेच
कर सोना सोना.
ईंट से ईंट बजाना. अंधे की लकड़ी.
अंधे की लकड़ी,
मुंह
हाँ.
में जीरा. ये नहीं समझ पाया.
पापड़ बेलना.
अच्छा पापड़ बेलना.
और ये तो दीप जल रहा है.
दीपक तले जला
के लिए अंदर है.
घी के दिए भी जलाना.
अच्छा और ये
आसमान सर पे उठाना. नाम आरुषि है और मैं कक्षा 9 से हूँ. मेरा विषय है वर्णों का उच्चारण स्थान. भाषा की शुद्धता और स्पष्टता सही उच्चारण पर निर्भर करती है. जब भी हम कोई वर्ण बोलते हैं तो यह आपने भी देखा होगा कि हमारे मुख के किसी एक विशेष भाग का प्रयोग होता है, जैसे कंठ, तालु, मूर्धा, दंत और ओष्ठ. कंठ से क, ख, ग, घ का उच्चारण होता है और यह आप भी जांच करके देख सकते हैं. जब हम अपनी उंगलियों को कंठ पर रखते हैं और क से लेकर घ तक के कोई भी व्यंजन बोलते हैं तो हमें एक स्पंदन सी महसूस होती है. तालु से गलत आंसर सही आंसर.
Nowadays, the factors are produced on level of this is like this, it generates electricity due to temperature difference.
Today we are going to demonstrate an interesting scientific experiment on density. Density means how much matter is packed in a given volume. A substance with high
Hi, this is Rajan class 8. I am here with my partner Tushar and we are presenting our class futuristic farmhouse. So in this farmhouse, we have installed a solar panel which sunlight to generate electricity and which is powered whole farmhouse. And then
Very nice. So how did you make this circus in Jairaj? With clay you have made? Oh, that's nice. So what do you want to tell me in this? You have just made a structure of the brain. Okay, so deep within the brain that is responsible for emotions.
Air pollution is a major problem in our environment. Smoke from vehicles, factories, emission from industries, etc. Very polluted air can cause very common illnesses like COVID, asthma, and heart. Our aim is to show a simple.
This is a train.
This is a replica of Earth. And the front end of the magnet will get attracted and the back end of the
What is the coil? Okay, this coil you are attaching a magnet. Demonstrate along with that explain. Okay, demonstrate.
all of this is connected. All of this is connected to the switch and
फ्लड की वजह से फार्म का कोड डिस्ट्रॉय होता है. तो मेरा काम हम लोग वही चीज़ प्रिवेंट कर रहे हैं. अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर की वजह से मैम
by which the projector is plastic which remove microplastic from water using tamarind seed powder. Then when you add tamarind seed powder in the water, if there is microplastic, then it attracts the microplastic and settle down it. And after 5 minutes, you get the filtered water that is much clearer than before. And shows that it is we have used ESP32 which supports IoT. So when it is full, it been asked on the topic of human lungs, respiration is the process by which human release energy from the gaseous food by taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide.
And when the human breathes, first the air goes to the windpipe. It is also called trachea, and then it goes to bronchs and bronchioles. Then it goes to lungs, then it goes to alveoli,
पहले ब्रोंकियाई में जाएगा तो लंग्स
fans, and when the human exhale, the alveoli contracts.
Come on, AI. What is the role of AI in your life? Okay, so have you used AI anywhere that has made your task easy? Good. So you are so truthful. Okay? Yeah, so good. And what's your name? Good.
It's a working model.
How coconut oil is a dielectric, meaning it is an electric insulator. So we'll put the coconut oil to show how it works and doesn't conduct electricity inside any of the electric.
Avoid obscurity, very obscurity. Forward, backward.
They are water. And the first
There are many smart cities. Helical fan. What is the function of it?
The metro is a covered, a model is a covered, the different model, which is a covered city, which uses pure water and pure air and renewable energy.
Thermal class power.
So is it a working model? Current challenges that we are facing in our real lives, the fuel crisis, the air pollution, the factory waste polluted river. And this side, we have imagined an India in 2047 after 100 years of our independence. There are a lot of greenery, many new technology, and also we have to demonstrate our hydroelectricity power plant. As hydroelectricity is the most reliable source of energy.
Different plan.
Sundays should fall, then only Sundays can fall on solar panel, then only it will work. Yeah, we're showing that this. What is bulb name? Better be louder.
When the nuclear is on fire, the electrical current flows causing already.
So, like those who are able to bring the new bring the taste. So,
Project on hydropower electricity generation as well as
heavy rainfall.
Okay, beta, judge is coming. If I ask you a question, why heart attack takes place?
When the muscles of the heart do not receive the actual amount of blood, enough blood which it actually required by the
Also, riddle.
Better be louder.
I am Khushi. Today here at the Science Fiesta, me and my partners are here to have fun and humor.
हम साथ चले तो जीतेंगे, हाथ में हाथ चले तो जीतेंगे। हम साथ चले तो जीतेंगे, हाथ में हाथ चले तो जीतेंगे। जीतेंगे सारे दावे सारे वादे जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे दिल के ये मजबूत इरादे जीतेंगे। जीतेंगे हर मंजर को हर मुश्किल को जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे सबकी नजरें सबके दिल को जीतेंगे। साथ चले तो जीतेंगे, हाथ में हाथ चले तो जीतेंगे। हम साथ चले तो